we are with the Chick-fil-A cow. Here he is, about to ask. Thinking this is a good angle, or should I be on the other side of you? I think I'm gonna be on this side. Hi!
Oh my god.
This is Kerrigan. Did you read the sign?
I would be really awesome. Oh, that's so cute.
Do you want to take off the head and see who it is?
Me?
Yeah. Maybe your mom could help you?
I'm struggling.
Here, probably need to unzip it from the back. Here, yeah, you can.
There is a cow.
I told you there was a cow at the front door. You thought I was making that up.
Yeah, kind of.
Hold on.
He's just waiting to be revealed. Here, maybe we should.
I'm gonna completely unzip it.
Yeah, there we go. A little hard getting it off, but that's okay.
We'll get it.
She probably wasn't expecting this.
No.
I think we have to take it all.
You should have seen us driving over here with him in the back.
The head is attached to the body.
Yeah. There you go. Let's see. Hang on. You want to take off the shirt? Maybe?
Can you get your arm out?
There you go. He's not talking.
Okay.
Oh, there it goes.
Oh,
thank you. That's so cute.
Oh, that's so cute.
Chick-fil-A.
He's sweating. I didn't think I was gonna get you out of there. You know how much she loves Chick-fil-A.
I know.
Oh my gosh, that's her favorite thing on the planet.
Yeah.
Aww.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, so he asked you something.
Yes.
Aw, so sweet.
Let's take some pictures.
Yes,
Yeah.
please.